Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening a Moshi Monster Puppet gift set. As you can see. Yeah, so I found this for $2. Yeah, so I'm going to open it. Sorry about the noise in the background. This is my Moshi Monster. You can hear Puppet, can't you? On my Moshi Monster. So yeah. I'm just going to open it up with my nifty scissors. So yeah, let's open it up. So we get good things inside the egg. I can't open it. 1 minute, guys. I'm just trying to open it to scissors. You should need the headphones right now. I can't find it. Okay, there. I got it open. Wait, I haven't got it open actually. Oh, there. Why is it hard to open? It's so hard. Okay, there. There it is. It is like this surface thing to help it. So, there here is the thing. There here is Puppet. And she spins from here. Because he's people on YouTube opening videos, and I can't do. And around her. So yeah, we got Puppet. You can see Puppet. And then I got a surprise egg. So I'm gonna open the surprise egg up. So yeah, it's called Super Surprise. So yeah. So there's the wrapper. I'm just gonna throw it in the bin. And here's the egg. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, we got some candy. You can see that. Yeah. Second, we got my sister's laughing. Got some stickers. You can see that. Got some stickers. And then these are the ones you can get, collect, or something. Get to collect. You can see that. There's the back. Okay, and the one of them we got was Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's us opening our spy gift set. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. Click on subscribe. Bye.